Hey guys, welcome back to Technology for Blind YouTube channel. I am back with another very interesting video for all of you guys. So this is about an application which is built in to Windows 10 called Video Editor. Okay, so I have explored the application and I have found ways to use as a screen reader user. Actually it is accessible. So I'm gonna walk you through on how to do the basics. Now a lot of you guys talking about Windows Movie Maker in the comments, asking specific questions. So I think if you haven't edited videos in your life, the video editor in Windows 10 would be the best choice to get started. And also this is the first video editor which is accessible by default. Okay, now yeah, Windows Movie Maker was there, but like this is like a new version of something. I can't say this is good than this is better than Windows Movie Maker or Windows Movie Maker is better than this, right? Like it depends. Like now Windows Movie Maker has been discontinued, as you may know, and this is not discontinued, this is just started. So they Microsoft might add new features, so you have to regularly update your Windows and you will get all of the features. Okay, now you can do some basic things in this video editor. You can't work with multiple tracks and all of the custom like complex things as you would do in Windows Movie Maker. Now in Windows Movie Maker you can kind of work with multiple tracks, but if you would like to get advanced control over the video editing aspect of your either or video or whatever, you can use the Reaper, the digital audio workstation, which is primarily a music creation tool, but it can be also used as a video editor, especially for us, right? So I have done a video on the other channel, Audio Access, a while ago about the basics on how to do that. Now comparing to these two, Movie Maker and the video editor, that is the best. Okay, so let's keep that aside and let's get back to business. Now to open Windows video editor, you can go to the start
window, search box
and type video
editor app. Press right to switch preview one of.
You will be getting this thing. Press enter.
Photo.
And I am in the Windows 10 latest version, 224 something. I'm not sure the version which came May this year. Okay, this is my version. So to create a video project, you can press the new or something. Let's see how it goes. Now
search people, places or things, edit.
Now this is primarily the photo app, okay, but the photo app allows us to create videos and also edit photos. Okay, so if you'd like to edit photos, then you can use the photos app as well. There are some controls like simple things, okay, cropping, cutting and resizing, all those things, right? So let's focus on video creation aspect.
Search button, new video button, collapsed 1 to 4, new video
you have to click this new video button. First let's see what are the features, what are the options available here.
Select button 2 of 4, select tooltip, import button, collapsed 3 of 4, import tooltip.
Import, you can import photos from your library or whatever the source.
Sign in button 4 of 4, sign in tooltip, more app bar button, learn more, link your video projects, 3, toggle button pressed, show list toggle button pressed, sort by, combo box modified, collapsed, list, new video project 1 of 4, why are some of my video projects missing, link, list, photos not selected 1 of, search people, search button, new video button, collapsed 1 of 4, new video tooltip.
Let's click on this new video button. The thing is, instead of using spacebar to press buttons, now in my case I used to use spacebar all the time, but in here it kind of doesn't work as expected. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. So I highly recommend you to press enter rather than spacebar. Okay,
new video project, start a blank project 1 of 3.
Now there are 3 options: new video, a blank project,
automatic video view and edit a video made for you 2 of 3.
Okay, this is an option like pre-made videos kind of thing.
Import backup, import a video project backup file 3 of 3.
Import a video project. Okay, so let's in our case let's go to the
new video project, start a blank project 1 of 3.
First one, blank project. Let's press enter.
New video button, collapsed 1 of 4. Back button, name your video dialog, name your video name, edit selected, new video.
Alright, so let's name this video as test video. test video. Okay, let's press enter.
Okay, but skip but video name edit test video.
If you want to skip, you can do that as well. Okay.
New video edit read only new video.
Oh, I pressed escape without pressing enter, so it skipped. Okay, so to
video projects button. More app bar button.
you can press shift tab.
Add title card button. Show or hide button. More app bar button. Change video title
until
button.
you get this change.
More change video title button.
Change video title.
Edit new video.
Press enter and let's type test video.
Test video. Add button 101.
Okay, now if you get to this add button,
show add button 101.
This is the place where you have to add the videos which you like. Okay, now in context of this application, you have a storyline or storyboard which you have to add after importing the photos, okay, or the materials. So let me show how the thing works. Okay, so press add button, enter again
from this PC 1 of 3,
and also you can get you get 3 options from this PC,
from my collection 2 of 3,
from my collection,
from the web 3 of 3,
from the web. Okay, so let's select this PC,
from this PC 1 of 3, add button, open dialog, file name, combo box.
Now first I'm gonna show on working with the video, and next I'll try to show how to work with the photo. Now I haven't done much using photos by I tried, but it kind of didn't work, but let me try again. Okay, so let's see first how to kind of mess with a video. Okay, so I'm gonna import
items view list,
items video,
items, folders, videos, items view, Angeli, photos window, add button, one added to project library.
Alright, one added to project library. Now library and storyboard are different. Okay, so after adding to the library, you have to press you have to add the particular thing to the storyboard. Okay, storyboards. So let's press tab until you get
place in storyboard button 1 of 2. Add
place
selected items to the storyboard.
Storyboard. Add selected items to storyboard. There is a shortcut key, Control Enter. If you have messed with your selection, what you can do is press shift tab until you get the name of your imported file or photo.
Angeli.mov button.
This is my thing. .mov is a video file. You can press application key.
Place in storyboard 1 of 2. Place in storyboard 1 of 2.
You will get the exact option and also another option which says
remove 2 of 2.
Remove. Okay, so let's add to the storyboard.
Place in storyboard 1 of 2. Angeli.mov button in the storyboard. Angeli.mov tooltip.
It is in the storyboard now. Let's go. You can find a lot of controls here. Even though, as I said, you cannot do complex things. If you want to kind of edit a video with simple things like copying, not copying, sorry, there are options to trim and add text or those sort of things. You can do this. Okay, so let's see how it goes.
Start photos view medium radio button not checked, view small radio button checked.
Now I
view
will
radio
click
button not
the view
activate checked.
View medium. In here you have press NVDA plus numpad enter to toggle the view medium radio button, as enter key is not working here. So as I said, the key combinations will be changed as this is a Metro app in Windows 10. This is not a standard Windows application. Okay, so let's go.
View small previous frame button, play button. Play.
If you press play, it will play the audio. So let me play now. Not audio, sorry, audio and the video. Okay, so let's see how it goes. This is my video, now my audio video. There are no any video contents, just a blank screen. So let's add a text. Okay,
next frame button, next seek slider 0, seek tooltip.
You can use the seek slider by using left right arrow to
1 2 3 2 1 0.
Move left or right.
Full screen button. Full screen. List. Angeli.mov not selected 1 of 1.
This is the storyline. Okay.
Trim 4 minutes 43 seconds button. Angeli.mov. Adjust volume button.
Adjust volume.
Add title card button 1 of 11.
You can add title as well. I will show in a minute. Okay.
Trim button 2 of 11. Split button 3 of 11. Text button 4 of 11.
Add text. Let's press enter.
Exited test video list. Type your text here. Edit blank.
Now you can type the text. Let's say this is a test video. Okay, let's press tab.
Delete text button. Delete text tooltip. List animated text style list. Simple 1 of 17.
Now these are some of the text styles. Okay, now if you are completely blind, you can leave it as simple, or you can get some sighted assistants to choose the text style according to your video. Okay, so let's press right arrow, which will move by the numbers, like let me explain how the thing works. In the right side you have kind of rectangles or something, small those are not ordered by list. Okay, so we have to press right arrow, down arrow, to get to the things. Okay,
love not selected, 2 of 17.
Love, let's press enter on this.
Selected.
This is another one text style.
Joy not selected, 3 of 17.
Joy.
Selected.
You have to press enter on each things to get how the thing works, get to know.
Classic not selected, 4 selected.
Classic.
Adventure not selected, 5 of 17. Selected. Quiet not selected, 6 of 17. Selected. Boom not selected, 7 of 17. Selected. Cinema not selected, 8 of 17. Selected. Bold not selected, 9 of 17. Selected.
Okay.
Cinema not selected.
Cinema would be fine.
List, layout list, bottom 5 of 6. Bottom
Now this is the layout where the text is being placed. Okay, so
right 6 of 6.
Here you don't have to press enter key to initialize. Just you have to move arrows. Okay.
Bottom 5, title 2, left 3 of 6. Left top 2 of 6. Top tooltip.
Let's see top. Top would be
title 1 of 6. Top 2 of 6.
Top would be fine.
Done button.
Done. Okay.
Cancel back button. Trim toggle button not press 1 of 5. Text toggle button press 2 of 5. Motion toggle button not press 3D of filters toggle previous frame but late next frame seeks text. This is a test. Start of text, end of list, delete list, anim list, layout button. Changes applied.
Done.
Back button.
Now
Video projects button. Test video edit read only test video.
Is the name.
Change video undo button 1 of 5. Undo edit background music button 3 of 5. Add recommended music.
If you want, you can add a background music which says add recommended music. It chooses
background
from
music
it
content
chooses
dialog,
from
dialog. Select background music. Select the music track. The music automatically adjusts to the length of the video. To import and add your own audio tracks, go to custom audio. Background music content dialog grouping list none 1 of 38.
Now there are custom music tracks here provided.
Amplified not selected 2 of 38.
Let me press enter on this.
Selected.
If you press
play preview button. Play
you can
preview
press
tooltip.
play preview. Oh,
Amplified anodized not selected. Selected. Play preview button.
oh, this is another music.
Anodized 3 arcade party not selected. Play preview.
Oh,
Arcade block party selected. Play preview.
okay. So you can choose whether if you don't have musics to add to your videos, so you can choose from this list.
Block park blossoming not select. Select play preview. Blossom clown parade not select. Select play. Select play. Digit select play. Distant selected.
Good music.
Distance select play.
Alright,
Sync your video music volumes mute me button. Cancel list.
there are options, so let's press cancel.
Video projects button.
Okay, now we have added our text.
Test video edit read only. Test change video title button. Change undo button 1 of 5. Background music button 3 of 5. Add recommended music tooltip. Custom audio button 4 of 5. Import custom audio tracks or narration tooltip.
This is the place where you can import an audio from your system.
Finish video button 5 of 5. Export a shareable video file tooltip.
This is the place where you can export the video, which we will be doing in a minute.
More app bar button. See more tooltip.
More.
Less app bar. Finish video button. Less app bar button. See the pop-up dialog. Duplicate project button 1 of 6.
After pressing more, you can press down arrow, which will land you to these 6 options. Duplicate project.
Backup project button 2 of 6.
Backup project.
Themes button 3 of 6. Set a theme tooltip.
Theme.
16:9 landscape button collapsed 4 of 6. Change.
Is a kind of a video related thing.
Send feedback button 5 of 6. Settings button 6 of 6.
Okay.
Set 6 themes button 3 of 6.
Let me
Set a theme dialog. Set a theme. Unify your video with filters, music, and text styles. List. No theme
Okay.
1 of 7.
themes.
Adventure not selected 2 of 7. Selected.
Oh,
No theme selected.
no. I don't want to add music because this video is equipped with the music. Okay. So let's press.
Adventure shield not classic not electric not joy not love not button. Cancel but list. No theme.
Okay. Let's press escape.
Video projects button.
Get back to the main window. So let's press tab.
Test video edit read change undo back custom audio finish more app bar button show or hide button show or hide
Show
tooltip
or hide. You can show the project. The storyboard.
project library
or
hidden
the hide the thing.
project library shown.
Okay.
Add button 1 of 1. Add more photos and videos to this project tooltip.
Add.
Angeli Fujavala. View medium. Angeli Fujavala.mov button in the storyboard and view medium radio button checked. View small previous frame button. Preview next seat full list and trim 4 minutes. Angeli Fujavala.mov not selected 1 of 1. Angeli trim 4 minutes. Adjust add title trim button 2 of 11. Split button text button 4 of 11.
Text.
Add a motion button 5 of 11.
Motion.
3D effects.
These are
3D
video effects. Okay.
Filters button 7 of speed button collapse state of 11. Resize button collapse 9 of 11. Remove rotate button 10 of 11. Remove from storyboard button 11 of 11. Remove app bar button. See more tooltip.
Okay. So let's export the video.
Video projects button. Test change vid undo but back custom finish vid more app finish video button 5 of 5.
You have to click this finish video button.
Finish your video dialog. Finish your video. Video quality combo box high 1080p recommended collapsed.
This is the ultimate maximum quality you can choose from, or let's press down arrow.
Medium 720p.
This is the HD quality. The above one is the full HD.
Low 540p. Smallest
Low.
file size. Medium
Let's
high 1080.
select 1080, which is the full HD, and press
More options grouping collapsed.
more options. What are the options
Expanded.
we got?
Export button. Cancel video quality combo. More options.
It doesn't read.
Export more options grouping expanded.
Let me see.
Export button. Cancel. No next. More video quality combo. More op makes exporting faster. To use this feature, get the latest drivers. No next. No object since no previous.
Okay. It seems it is unavailable because of my driver issues.
Video. More options group
Let's
collapsed.
press-
Export button.
Now finally we can export the video.
Background with file name. Combo box. Edit lang.
Let's say test.
Items view list. Camera roll not selected. Row. Save as top. Photos. Photos window.
Okay.
Background music button 3 of 5. Export. Beep for progress bar updates.
So it is exporting, and my resources are being used maximum. Maxed. My CPU is maxed. So
Average CPU load 5.6. Average CPU load 88.3%.
Oh.
Average CPU load 89.2%. Average CPU load 87.3%.
now I'm using an add-on for NVDA called Resource Monitor to monitor and get to know how the thing works. I'm pressing insert plus shift plus F. Insert plus shift plus 1
Average CPU load 80.
to check the CPU load, and if I press 2,
Physical 3.89 G.
I can check the RAM, so on and so forth. Okay, there are some options in the add-on. Okay, you can get to the NVIDIA's add-on page to get this add-on. Addons.nvda project.org or something. Okay, I have done a video you can watch in the YouTube channel. So after completing the task, it will open the video in the Photos application, which you can view, and it will do this automatically, so you don't have to worry about that. I think I have something forgot. Not sure what's that, but let me see. But you have to experiment with your particular needs. Okay, so I'm not going to go in deep about how the thing works. Okay, all right, almost complete.
Background music. Photos. Photos window. Test.mp4.
It
Here's the
may-
video you created.
Yeah, now
Pause button. Skip volume C. More app bar. Show and full video export issues. Show and folder link. Video close. Add to but delete. Add to edit and share. But more app bar. But full screen button. Exit full screen. Test.
full
Play
screen.
button. Click pause. Skip backward button. Skip pause button. Play. Skip forward volume 1 on C. Total 4.
The thing is, but even though it has done
Volume C.
the thing, but
Photos.
I cannot see the text.
Run
That's the
dialog.
thing. So let me go to the
Desktop videos. Items.
pictures
Pictures.
again.
Pictures.
Let's play this
Test.mp.
in the
Nature.jpg. Test. Item type. MP.
VLC. And
VLC.
yeah, I can see. What a fantastic thing. Right.
Pick.
So it's complete. Let's see the size.
Nate test.mp401 column 66 of 6. Item type. MP4 video file. VLC size 6.43 MB length 00443.
Alright. Fantastic.
Photos.
Let's close this. And
Undo button 1 of change test video.
the first part of the video is complete. So if you wish, you can experiment with all of the things. I haven't tackled all of the options available. For instance, the video effects, the motion and 3D effects, those are video oriented things, so I'm not going to go in deep on explaining those things. Okay, so I'll leave it for you to experiment, right? So let's try to
Video project.
mess with a photo,
Back button.
which I'm not sure about how it goes, but
Excellent.
I'll
Test
try
video.
because of for you.
Search peak list. Photos not select. Why are some of list? Search new select button.
Let's click again at videos.
Find more. Learn your video. Sort by list. New. Why are some of my video list? New. Why list? Search people.
Yes, that video button.
Search new video. But select new
New
video.
video, but sorry.
New video project start. Back button.
Okay,
Name.
so I'm not going to explain how the thing works again. Photo
Yeah.
project. Okay, photo project.
Photo project. Editing
Alright.
new video.
So
View medium,
let's
review small radio. Add title card button. One more add video. Photo. Change video title button. Change. Undo more. Show add. Show add button 1 of 1 from this
Add.
PC 1 of add button 1
From
file
this
name
PC.
combo items view list captures not
now I'm having a photo.
3D object pictures camera roll items view nature.jtest.mp402 column nature.j video nature
Nature dot.
photos window
Okay,
add button 1 of
alright.
1 added to project library place in storyboard button 1 of 2
Place in
nature.jpg
storyboard. Now it is in the storyboard. Now in the photos context, you have to play with the time. Okay, now when it comes to video, you don't have to play with the time because video is highly dependent on the time, right? So you can understand, you get it, right? But in photo, you have to experiment, or you can change the timing of the photo. How long should the photo being played? Okay.
View medium radio, view small radio button, not check, previous play button, next frame, bus full screen list, nature dot duration 3 seconds button, nature.jpg tooltip.
Duration 3 seconds. Press enter.
Pop up dialog, how long should this appear? Set user entered seconds, text box edit selected 3.0.
By default, you will be landed on the editable box which says user input something. There are 3 options, 5 options.
1 second, 1 of 5, 2 seconds, 2 of 5, 3 sec 5, 7 seconds, 5 of 5. User entered seconds,
right.
text box edit selected.
Now let's user entered seconds. Let's say 60.
6 unselected.
Okay.
60.
Press enter.
Duration changed to 60 seconds. List duration
Right.
1 minute button. Nature.jpg tooltip.
Now
Add title card button 1 of 9. Add a title card to your storyboard tooltip.
title card. Let's check that. I think this is the thing I forgot. If you press enter, it will add the title card. So I can see that it is being added.
Duration button collapse 2 of 5. Change text button 3 of background. Remove from more app bar but back button. Video projects button. Photo change undo button background. Custom audio finish video. More app bar show or hide add button 1 of 1. Nature.jpg button in the storyboard. View medium radio. View small radio previous frame play button. Next seek full screen list. Title card not selected 1 of 2. Title card tooltip.
Title card. You have
add title card 1 of 7. Duration 2 of set list. Title nature.title card not selected 1 of.
In the title card,
selected.
Press enter to select this, and
duration 3 seconds button title card.
Duration 3 seconds. Let's leave it as it is.
Add title card button 1 of 5. Add duration button collapse 2 of 5. Text button 3 of 5. Add
Text.
title exited.
Let's add a
delete
text.
button. Type your text here. Title selected.
Welcome to this video.
Welcome to this video.
Press enter. I don't intend to change anything.
Welcome to this video. Characters delete list on button. Changes
done.
applied. Back button.
Okay. Alright.
Video projects button. Photo change undo background custom audio.
Let's try to add a music.
Exited photo project. Back button. Previous frame button. Play next seek slider. Add audio file button 1 of 1.
Add audio file.
Open dialog 5. Items view list. Items view list. This PC. Active new items view multi.
I'm having the
items
music.
View, items view new music. Narration file imported. Add audio file tooltip.
Okay. Now I'm not sure what is going on here, because I think there are visual controls available to kind of trim the music, but unfortunately those are not kind of accessible. But if you mess with the settings and if you kind of experiment, obviously you can find better ways to do these things. Okay, let us know in the comment section if you found anything.
List new music. Copy.mp3 1 of 1.
Copy.mp3 something.
Delete button. Play preview button. Adjust volume toggle button not pressed. Adjust volume
adjust
tooltip.
the volume.
Done button.
Okay, let's press done.
Changes applied. Back button.
And
video projects button.
The project is done, so let's export the project.
Photo chain undo but back custom finish video button. Finish your video dialog. Finish your video.
And
can't export button. Finish video button. Save as dialog. File name. Selection.
Video.
Photos window. Finish video button 5 of 5.
Now I went very fast because I have explained the things in the first part of the video. Okay, so I'm trying to save your time, guys. And if you have got any questions, please let me know in the comment section. Any other things would be appreciated. Yeah. Okay. Done.
Video dot
Oh, yeah.
video you created.
So let's close this.
Photos with.
And let's go to the
folder select. This PC with items with pictures.
and let's play with
Video.mp401 cop.
VLC.
VLC.
Okay, now I can see the title card. It goes alright. Fantastic! What a fantastic thing!
Pictures
Close.
with.
Fantastic, guys. So I really hope this will be a very kind of good source to get started in editing videos. Okay, if you haven't done so. So I really hope this has helped you out, and if so, please let me know in the comment section. That would be greatly appreciated, guys. Your feedbacks. Okay. And also, if you have got any questions, tips, any other suggestions, let me know. That would be also great. Okay. And if you are new here, welcome. Please be sure to subscribe and do the things which are related to YouTube. Okay, you know, all of the subscribe, like, all of the things, and stay tuned. Okay. So I'll see you in the next video. Signing out. Mohomed Rashad.